Hello and welcome to Magic AutoCAD. Someone asked me how to fill the solid slab on the staircase. Normally we have different ways to draw the staircase. So in order to know more, please, you can go to the Magic AutoCAD and search on L-shaped staircase. Then you're going to see how to start from scratch drawing a solid staircase. But in this case, how can we fill this part? That is the first question. Let's start with this first question, and I would like us to go directly to the left view. You go to UCS, to the view cube, and you go to the left view. Sorry for that. And you have something like that, and then here you're going to see that we have this Z Y axis on which you cannot draw. So we go to the coordinates and we go to face. Click on face, and from here let's go straight to, now you can see that we have XY axis we can draw freely. So now let's go to the polyline, and we start from here. We move it upwards to this intersection, then you move it to this end. Let me zoom so that you can see very well. Then you click here, you move upward to this intersection, then finally you bring it to this end, then enter. Then I would like us to go to the line. Let's take a line, okay, not polyline this time. Let's take a line. Then let's start from here, okay. Let's start from here. You don't start from here again, but you start from here. Sorry. Then you click here, then you pull it right up here, and from here you extend right up to the intersection and you click. Then we move it right to this end. Sorry, it's okay. There, then you click, you select the line and you move it down. Okay, from here you can move it down to the lower end. Then now let's go back now to polyline. Then we click here at this end, then we bring it, let's track it here, and we click here and here. Very good. Escape. Now we select all of it to give a join. Okay, J for join. Then sorry, it's not joining. If it cannot join, please, if you try to join and it cannot join, then it means one or the line snapped behind. So let's go back to the home icon, and let me put it to power so that you can see. Then let's rotate. Okay, so you see that these other lines were drawn right over here. So what you need to do is just to move, okay, just to select and move. Exit. Then let's select this line and we move it to the other side. Okay, let me rotate. So you move it here, then now you select and J for join, and please make sure you have a close poly. Okay, make sure you have a close polyline. Make sure all the ends are sealed. If not, your extrusion or press pull will not be on solid. So let's go to extrude command, then we select, enter. Then so you're going to see that we can. So I would like us to pull it this way. It's either I tie the distance, which is a 90, or you just pull it this way and you click here at this other end, okay, so that you're gonna have something like this. Okay, so you can see that we have a beautiful staircase here with the nosings, okay, with nosings. And so here we are. Then you're gonna do same over here. So you're gonna see that we also have the slab, one-sided slab. Okay, and then you do the same this way. Okay, you do the same this way. So you do the same this way. So you also make a pulley this way, and you extrude. Now the next question was how to fill these projections. Okay, how to fill these projections. So when you look at the other side I actually did, but due to laziness I did not do this other way, because when you look here, you can't find such a thing here. Okay, so here I actually adjusted, so the other way is for you to adjust. So how do we adjust it? So let me just give you a clue on this. I like us to start with a rectangle command. Okay, let's just make a rectangle here. Then we go to the circle. Let's turn to midpoint. I'm looking for the midpoint, please. Sorry. Okay, then let's track the midpoint to have a center here. Okay, go to center, and let me see if I make sure your center and the midpoint is activated. Center here. Then now let's go to the press pull command. Then let's take this one up to a certain height. Okay, then go back to press extrude, enter, to take this one also to an estimated height. I like us to move it away from here. Okay, let's move it here, and we select again to create copies. Let's copy, and I like us to copy from the center point, and we move it along this green tracking line, move it down. Okay, that'll be okay for now. And let's go to the line command. We click at the center, and we click at this other center point. Yeah, so I've already changed to wireframe. Then now we go to coordinate and move this face. Let's place the UCS to this face. Okay, I like us to select this line, and we stretch it. Okay, let's stretch it out somewhere there. Then we go to the circle. Then let's make a circle here, not too big, just there. Then we go now to extrude, enter. Then let's follow this path, and we go to shaded. You may find something like this. If you find something like this, so you see that at this level, this uprising, this standing bar is bigger than the crossbar. So let's first of all try the first method of remedying this situation. You go to press pull, then you come here and you pull it down to a certain level. Now it's 2 down, then you pull it up again. Yeah, you can type a distance. If you know a distance, you can type, and then let's bring it up here at the midpoint. Then here you will see that there are still some parts left, which means that this one is smaller than this one. So the only thing you can do in this case is to draw a larger. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, here we are. Then in this case, please make sure the circle here is equal to this rising. Okay, this crossbar, the diameter should be equal to that of this one, or a little bit larger. Then in this case, let's go like this. You bring like this. Okay, here. Then we extrude. Then we go to follow the path. Then we go to shaded. So I think everything is cool now. Okay, so that is the only way to remedy that situation. So I hope your question is answered.